Hi Stampers, this is Dawn, and today we're going to talk about the Cling Mount stamp set. And you might remember all these years we've had the wood mount and the clear mount. And the clear mount, for some reason, when you added the sticker to the stamp, it would not stick to the block. You had to have a pristine, clean, clear block. And then also you had to have the sticker part of the stamp pretty clean as well. So there was a few issues with the image sticking to your clear block to either clean it or even to stamp. It would fall off. But let me just tell you, this Cling Mount stamp set is going to change your life. The new Cling Mount has a sticker sheet just like the clear mount did. So if you're familiar with the clear mount, the Cling Mount is exactly the same thing, but the sticker is going to really stick to your clear block, which is what we want, right? So I'm going to show you how to adhere the sticker part to your images. So first of all, when you get your stamps, they're all die cut. So you're just going to pop them out from the rubber sheet that's in your stamp. And I went ahead and did all these images ahead of time. So you're just going to punch them out. I think I mentioned on a video a few weeks ago that we used to hand cut out our images for the stamp sets when they were wood mount. But now all the stamp sets are die cut. So you just pop them out and they're really super easy. So you're going to use your sticker sheet to stick it to your cling foam on the back of your red rubber, okay? So this is the sticker sheet, and you're going to notice that there's like a more slippery or shiny side to your sticker sheet, and then the image on the back side is more dull. You're going to use the shiny side to peel off the backing of your sticker, and I'm going to use this present one right here. Just like that, to expose it. So one thing you want to keep in mind is that the image that you're looking at is the way it's going to be stamped. Okay, so on your block. So you're just going to take your sticker sheet here, and you're going to take your image, making sure it's going the right way with the foam sheet facing down. You're going to place this inside of that sticker shape. It's actually really fairly easy. But let me just tell you, if you stick this down in the incorrect place, you're going to have probably a hard time removing it because it is so sticky to stick to the cling foam. So just be careful that before you had actually press that down, that you got it lined up at least somewhat in the center. If you have it a little bit overhanging, you can always trim that down as well, okay? So then once you press that into the sticker, then you're just gonna put your, well, I'm gonna put my fingernail in the corner. I'm just going to lightly press that and pull it up. And now this is the sticker sheet part of your stamp. Look how sticky that is. Let me get a block. So now, like the sticker part of the clear mount stamps that we used to sell, it didn't stick very well to the block. So you can tell that my block is not very clean, but I'm going to go ahead and push this onto the block, and it sticks no matter what. And you want to be careful when you're peeling off the stamp from either the case or the block. It's not like it's going to be really hard, but you just want to take particular notice on how you're peeling it off. Because like me, if you haven't put your stickers on your stamps in a long time, you might be used to just taking the stamp off really quickly. So you just want to be careful that the stamp actually comes off. And there you go. Like I said, it's really sticky, so be careful. It will not come off when you're cleaning. It will not come off when you're stamping. And that's what we want. Plus, seeing that image, like I had mentioned, I haven't put stickers on my stamps in so long, I forget how nice it is to actually see the stamp, what you're actually stamping on your project. So it is a nice, very nice feature, and I'm glad it's back. So let me show you another one. And then this is the party hat right here. Remember, you're going to put the red rubber face up, and then you're going to lay the cling foam onto the sticker part, and you're just going to lay the shape of the stamp into that shape of the sticker. And it's fairly easy. I just don't want to put my head in the camera. Okay, so then you're just going to go ahead and press that down into the sticker and then peel that off with your fingernail into the corner, and there you go. Super easy. And this is really sticky, like I had mentioned. So you just put it on your block and you're ready to go. And then you can see your image. Of course, this block needs to be a little bit bigger. So that's a little bit of information on the brand new Cling Mount stamp sets. Okay, so if you have any questions, just let me know. And then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you later. Bye.